In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft account creation has been blocked. So this particular error occurs when Microsoft's automated security system flags your IP address or device or registration details as a suspicious or high-volume automated sign-up attempt. It rarely means you are permanently banned, but continuing to spam the submit button will continuously extend the temporary block. So in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is to change your network and design. So from in there, you can just head over and disconnect to your Wi-Fi or use mobile data or create the account on your phone. You also need to disable interfering network tools or extensions. Some of this is actually VPNs. So as you can see right here, if you have VPN available like toggled or turned on, you need to actually head over and then remove those VPNs. So you can also head over and then use incognito or private modes and also disable ad blockers. So you also need to use a true domain variant like get a new email address and choosing at outlook.com instead of other variants such as at gmail.com or your own work email. So you also need to wait for around 24-hour cooldown from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.